In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create great looking banners without having to have Photoshop with a great little WordPress plugin called the Ultimate Banner Creator. So using the Ultimate Banner Creator, it can't be any easier. All you need to do is go ahead and install the Ultimate Banner Creator to your WordPress site. And once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to just go ahead over to the media link and click on the Create Banner link. And from there, you're going to be brought to the Ultimate Banner Creator page where you can go ahead and we can create pretty much any size banner that we want. We have all the standard sizes, and you can also create a custom size if you'd like. For this demo, I'm going to create a medium rectangle at 300 by 250 pixels. And all you need to do is click on the update button right there to be brought to a current example of our banner here, and you can see it's 300 by 250. And what we can do is we can go ahead and add an image, we can add objects, either rectangular or circle objects, and we can add our text. So for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create a great looking banner right now. So what you can do is if you want to have a background image, what you do is you go ahead, select your image, and you can either upload image files or select from your media library. I'm going to go ahead and select right from my media library. We can choose our scale if we want to make it smaller or make it bigger. We can do any of that. And then all you need, we can also set the opacity if we want it to be a little transparent, but I'm going to leave it as is. And I'm going to just adjust the scale a little bit so that it fits the 300 by 250 area. And you just have to go ahead and click on insert, and it'll take just a second, but it's going to go ahead. As you can see, we have our image right in there now. So once the image is in there, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and I'm going to just go ahead and add a little rectangle down here. Down at the bottom, I'm going to make this about 100 high. Okay. And I'm going to make it like 350 wide. You can also go ahead and select your color. I'm going to go ahead and change the color on this box to red. Sounds great. And I'm going to insert it. And now what you can do is you can go ahead and drag that. I'm going to just drag that right down there. Now what I'd like to do is just add another object here. I'm going to go ahead and add like a little circle. Okay. Let's go ahead and make this like 100. And the color on this, I want to make it like a blue. Great. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and insert that. And that's going to, I'm going to put this like, yeah, right about here. Okay. And then what I want to do is I want to go ahead and add some text. So the first text I'm going to do is I'm going to just write a little bit of, and what's nice about the text too is you can go ahead, you can select your color, you can choose all kinds of different colors that you want, okay? You can also select your size, and you can also choose from a couple of really good looking fonts that we have here. I'm going to use Impact here, and I just want this just to say one day only. And I'm going to go ahead, just reduce the size a little bit. Go ahead, click on the insert link, which is right down here. And that's going to go ahead, insert that right in there. Put that right there. And let's go ahead. Just a little text over here. Okay, say big. Make this about maybe 25. I'm going to insert that. Put that right there. And you can see in just a couple of minutes, I've created this great looking banner that I'm going to use on my website. And then what you can do is just go ahead to save the banner. You just go ahead and click on the Save Banner link. And you'll get a little notification that the banner has now been saved. And then when we want to go ahead and use this banner in a post or on a page or in a widget on our website, you can just go right to your media library, okay, and you can see that your image is right there. You can see there's the banner that we just created. As you can see, it's really easy to create banners. We can go right back over, create a new banner if we want, any size, like I said. You can do your banners any size. You can do a leaderboard size banner, which is going to be up at the top, 728 by 90, has all the other standard sizes. And you can do custom banners if you want. We could do a 728 by, say, 200 banner if we wanted to. Any size you want. Create banners simply and easily with the Ultimate Banner Creator plugin.